Hello dear friends, in today's topic we are going to explain how to make the testing for the stepper motor driver. This is a stepper motor driver closed loop hybrid 3-phase, and along with it is the Nema 42 motor. The Nema 42 is a big motor and it needs a lot of attention for the application it's used and also the purpose that you are using this motor and driver for. So let's start by explaining the front end of the driver. The driver has in the front a display that shows the parameter and configuration of the driver and the motor, and also when the motor is in the operation, it will show the speed and also the direction of the motor. And then we'll head to the power section. The first line is marked as R is the live. The R is the live and S is the neutral. Live and neutral. And then each one of these are connected to the small r and the small s at the control section. So from the power to the control, and this is important to be set up in this way so that to minimize also the wire instead of putting two plugs. So you will have to do only one in this side and then just make the link between each one of them. Sorry for the color coding, but because this is only for testing purposes, we are using this type of color coding. And then in the control section, we have the red for the U phase, and this is the connection between the stepper motor and the driver. So we have the U going in the red and the white cable in the V, and the W cable in the black cable in the W. And this configuration is important. Actually, this configuration is explained in the data sheet, and also you can find it in the front of the stepper motor. Each of these links and color coding will be explained in this tag in the stepper motor. And then the PE is the power. Actually, I haven't made it because only this is for testing. This is for the earth cable. The earth cable goes in this place, and also at the end you have to put the earthing connection in this location. Okay, and then in the other side we have the control signal. The control signal goes to the stepper motor encoder, and then we have the communication signal, and this is to communicate between the controller and the driver. I have used only 4 of the cables and the 4 of the 44 pins, and they are all explained in the data sheet. The pins that I'm using is the plus negative and plus positive, and also the DIR or the direct positive and direct negative. And then connecting all of these to the microcontroller or any controller that you are using. Now, after powering on the system, the driver doesn't have a power switch. Only when you want to switch it on, you have to plug it and power it on from the main breaker. You have to connect it to a breaker or from the socket as I'm doing now. You will find here the display. This display and the manipulation of this display is explained in the data sheet, and it is pretty forward. No, not a big there is no complicated steps to configure it. And then you will see the power on. Okay, it means that the system is in operation. Now as we press the button, we'll see that the stepper starts to turn in the clockwise direction, and also you will notice that the value in the display shows the rotation speed. Because now the speed is low, I have made it into low speed. And if we reverse, now we'll find that the stepper moves in the anti-clockwise direction. Thank you very much for following, and thank you for your paying your attention. And if you have any questions regarding this topic, please don't hesitate to comment in the section below.